If you clicked on this video, then chances are you are not meant to work for somebody else forever. You are meant to earn passive income, have a soft life, living your unique purpose. As we're slowly approaching the new Earth, it's an interesting shift we're seeing on the planet right now, where people are so tired and have just lost complete trust for politicians, A-list celebrities, big corporations, and people are looking for real humans like you and me to get guidance from. People who are not greedy, who are not chasing fame just to get more money and more attention, but because they would genuinely want to help the planet. Heart-based people. So if you stumbled upon this video, it is not a coincidence. You are one of those light workers, a leader of the new Earth. So what does this mean? What are some tips? How can you fully step into your role as a new Earth celebrity? Even if you have zero following on social media, you have a job you hate, how do you go from that to being a new Earth celebrity? I'm Julia, a life purpose coach, and I have written down 3 powerful tips on what you can do to become famous worldwide, sharing your unique message with the world and making passive income doing it. Because you deserve that. You deserve a soft life. You're not meant to be on this constant hamster wheel, being drained. You are meant to thrive and live your delicious dream life. So the first tip that I have written down here is to trust and surrender to the nudges. Your higher self is always giving you these nudges, these little hints. For example, let's say you go for a run or a nature walk, and you have this realization of something that you want to do. For example, for me, a recent one is that I think I want to start a podcast. It just keeps coming up for me where I'm interviewing people about their spiritual awakenings, and I'm feeling this very strongly. Now, what is that for you? What have you been feeling lately called to do? And it might feel a bit scary, and that's because change is really scary for the ego. Even if you're living the most unaligned life, the ego would rather do that than do what the soul wants, is screaming you to do, that would actually be aligned in a beautiful dream life for you. And if this is something you want to dive into more about how to actually surrender, because it is difficult, I recommend reading this book, The Surrender Experiment by Michael Allen Singer. Affirm in the comments right now, I surrender and allow blessings to flow. Now the next question you might be asking is, okay, if the ego hates change, how do you actually create change then? And not just stay stuck in this old life of yours. So first of all, you gotta identify, is this desire coming from a place of ego or from the soul? I found what works for me is to listen to my body. So do you feel excited in your guts, or are you feeling this bad sensation, like it doesn't feel right? And when you picture yourself moving towards this goal, does it feel exciting as you visualize it, or does it not feel good? For example, for me, one time it didn't feel good was that I thought, okay, I want to create a book and become a best-selling author. But then I was visualizing taking months off to write this book, and then going on a book tour, going on a million different podcasts, and that vision didn't appeal to me. And I realized I just wanted this because I noticed so many other content creators releasing books. So I felt like maybe this is something I need to be doing. So it wasn't coming from the soul. So once you know it's coming from the soul, it's time to take what I call messy action. As in, things will not be perfect when you're starting out on this dream. It's going to be a lot of trial and error as you get closer to that life purpose, that calling of yours. And it is easy to turn to perfection as a form of procrastination. I did that when I first started out as a business owner. I would just be like tweaking the fonts of my website and my color palette, and not actually taking messy action, actually launching it. And the more messy action you take, the more you're making it safe for the ego. Like, okay, I'm safe, I survived even though I'm taking action. And then you can sit back, and then you can feel how happy the soul is expressing itself. And if you're not sure what your purpose is, then I have a free guide, How to Find Your Purpose in 5 Simple Steps, and I've linked it in the description. Now, the third thing you need to know as a future new Earth celebrity who are meant to be seen and heard worldwide is that no matter what your purpose is, you need to have an online presence. This is simply how you get discovered nowadays. Back in the days, you had people knocking door to door, or the yellow pages. Like, none of that is a thing anymore. People don't like their privacy to be disturbed that way. There are so many brands now, so why would they pick an unknown brand if they have one they already follow and they know they can trust? And when I first started my online brand, I felt so overwhelmed. Like, what products do I create? Where do I post? There's so many platforms. It just felt like, should I just stay in my 9 to 5? It is unaligned. I don't feel fulfilled, but at least I know what it's like and it's not overwhelming. But the truth is that I've learned along the way is that you define if this will be a complicated, overwhelming process or not. You can decide on your business model. So I choose to have a business model where I only need to work 4 hours per week. So that is focusing on long form content like YouTube. You could also do podcasts. That's another great long form content. And then in every video, I have a call to action to my product or to an affiliate product that I recommend. That way you're getting free traffic to your product, to your purpose. And the long form content also have a long shelf life. So several years. If you look for something on YouTube, you will sometimes see, oh, this was posted 7 years ago, 5 years ago. While on Instagram or TikTok, which are short form platforms, usually it has a shelf life around just a few days. So it means you only need to post 1 or 2 videos per week, and old videos are bringing in income to you through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and your product. Whether that is a physical product, maybe you love creating jewelry, sourdough bread, or maybe online courses or online coaching. So pick your platform, pick your product, pick an affiliate product you recommend, and when they click and buy, you get a commission. Keep it simple. That way you can have a soft life. And as a light worker, I'm sure you also crave a soft life where you can focus on your spiritual growth. I'm on the journey towards enlightenment. I want to become self-realized in this lifetime, really focus on my meditation. I want a life with lots of pets and travel and being outdoors in nature, not one where I'm just constantly working. And now that I have that, I could never go back to my 9 to 5, which at the time my ego felt so comfortable with. But I took messy action, and now my ego is like, okay, soul, you were right. This is better. Now for the product you create, don't make my mistake and make like 10 to 20 different products. You only need one core offer, one core product, for example, an online course or a coaching package, and just put all your energy towards that. That way you can deliver a huge transformation for your clients. And when you pick something a bit more expensive, like mid-ticket to high-ticket rather than some cheap ebook, it means that you only need to sell a few products per month to replace your office job. If you want to sell low-ticket products like ebooks or mini courses, you need to have a huge audience, and that takes a long time to build. I don't know about you, but you probably want to replace your current job as quickly as possible. And if you want the actual templates that I've used to create a high-ticket program, then I'd love you to join the Nomad Freedom Academy, which is my signature program where I teach you how to get views on YouTube and social media and drive it to a high-ticket program that gives transformation for your clients. If this feels interesting, then definitely book a free business clarity call, and there you will also get more clarity about your business, your niche, and your purpose, so that you know what to create in this world as a new Earth celebrity. If you're still here, it means that this is resonating in your heart. This is coming from your soul, not your ego. So take action on that nudge. I put a link to the Clarity Call application in the description. Feel free to check that out. If you're still here, then know that this is not a coincidence. You're here because your heart resonates with this. You will be a new Earth celebrity. You have so much wisdom to share, and you're about to be known worldwide. Let me know your biggest aha moment from this video. And next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. There are a few, but there's one that I think is way more superior. So watch that next. Love you so much, and see you in the next video.